Have you ever wondered what the world will look like in just a few years? Forget flying cars for a moment. The tech revolution is happening right now, and by 2026, many things we once considered science fiction will be part of our daily lives. The pace of innovation is accelerating like never before, from AI that thinks for itself to interfaces that connect our brains directly to computers. Today, we're diving into 17 groundbreaking technology trends that are set to completely reshape our world by 2026. Get ready, because the future is arriving faster than you think. Let us kick things off with a trend that is empowering everyone to become a creator, low-code and no-code development. Gone are the days when building an app required years of coding experience. By 2026, it's predicted that over 75% of new applications will be built using platforms like Bubble, Glide, or Microsoft Power Apps. Imagine dragging and dropping elements to create a fully functional app for your small business or personal project. Even AI tools like OpenAI's custom GPTs are letting people automate complex workflows without writing a single line of code. This isn't just about convenience, it's a democratization of technology, unleashing a new wave of innovation from people who were previously locked out. Next up, AI is breathing new life into virtual and augmented reality, creating what we call AI-powered extended reality, or XR. Forget static, pre-programmed virtual worlds. We're talking about smart, interactive environments that adapt to your every move in real time. Companies like NVIDIA are developing AI characters that can hold spontaneous, full conversations, making virtual interactions feel incredibly real. Meta is pouring billions into creating avatars that can improvise and react naturally. Whether you're trying on clothes in a virtual store or exploring ancient Rome in an immersive history lesson, AI-powered XR is set to redefine our entire digital experience. Our cities and industries are also getting a massive upgrade with smart infrastructure and IoT 2.0. By 2026, we'll have over 30 billion devices connected to the Internet of Things, all talking to each other to make our world more efficient. Picture smart traffic lights that adjust automatically to ease congestion, or warehouses that manage their own inventory without human intervention. In places like South Korea, smart poles are already a reality, monitoring air quality, providing free Wi-Fi, and even charging your devices. This isn't just about cool gadgets, it's about building sustainable, responsive urban environments for a better future. But with all this data flying around, what about privacy? That brings us to our fourth trend, privacy-first AI and local processing. As privacy concerns grow, the solution is to bring the AI to your device instead of sending your data to the cloud. New chips from Apple and Intel are now powerful enough to handle complex AI tasks right on your phone or laptop. Meta's latest language models can also run locally, meaning your personal information stays personal. This shift ensures your AI applications are not only faster but also much more secure, keeping your data safe and sound, right where it belongs. Moving from single tasks to entire operations, workflow automation is scaling up in a big way. AI is no longer just a tool for simple, repetitive jobs, it's becoming a manager that orchestrates entire business processes. Platforms like ServiceNow and Zapier are automating everything from hiring new employees to sending out invoices, freeing up human workers for more creative and strategic tasks. In Amazon warehouses, predictive analytics coordinate teams of humans and robots with astonishing efficiency. Companies are reporting that this shift to full process automation is cutting down repetitive work by as much as 65%. And speaking of robots, enhanced robotics are marching out of the factory and into our retail stores and neighborhoods. You might soon see robots like Agility Robotics Digit stocking shelves or Walmart's autonomous scanners checking inventory. On college campuses and in some cities, delivery bots from companies like Starship are already navigating sidewalks to bring you your lunch. Thanks to AI vision and real-time mapping, these robots are becoming smarter, safer, and more capable every day, helping to improve efficiency and fill critical labor gaps. Our seventh trend is happening right under our fingertips, the rise of AI-native operating systems. Your computer's OS is transforming from a passive tool into an intelligent partner. Microsoft's Copilot in Windows and Apple's new AI features in macOS can now summarize long documents, rewrite your emails, or even generate images for a presentation, all directly within the system. By 2026, these AI-native systems will proactively assist you, anticipating your needs and offering context-aware help across all your devices. It's like having a personal assistant built into everything you use. Beyond our desktops, technology is getting more personal with advanced wearables. Your smartwatch is no longer just a step counter. Devices from companies like Aura and Whoop are now sophisticated health monitors, tracking your stress levels, sleep quality, and even blood sugar. With AI integration, these wearables can provide personalized health advice, send predictive alerts for potential issues, and even help with early illness detection. They are evolving into continuous health companions, empowering us to take control of our well-being in a way we never could before. Now for a trend that feels truly futuristic, quantum computing is approaching practicality. For years, it's been the stuff of theory, but companies like IBM, Google, and IonQ are making huge strides. They are building quantum systems with enough power and stability to solve problems that are impossible for even the fastest supercomputers today. Imagine designing new life-saving drugs by simulating molecules with perfect accuracy, or optimizing global supply chains to eliminate waste. By 2026, quantum computing might finally move out of the lab and start changing industries. Get ready to see the world differently, literally. Our glasses are poised to replace our smartphone screens for many tasks. Imagine devices like Apple's Vision Pro or Meta's smart glasses overlaying digital information directly onto your view of the real world. You could see navigation arrows on the street as you walk, get live translations of conversations, or see important notifications without ever looking down at a screen. With AI, this information will be context-aware, giving you what you need, right when you need it, sometimes before you even ask. Healthcare is also becoming deeply personal, thanks to personalized AI healthcare. AI models are now capable of analyzing medical data with incredible precision. For instance, Google DeepMind can detect eye diseases from retinal scans, often earlier and more accurately than human doctors. Hospitals are using AI to predict a patient's risk of developing sepsis or cardiac issues and to create customized cancer treatment plans based on an individual's unique genetic makeup. This is a monumental shift towards proactive, personalized medicine that treats the patient, not just the disease. Fueling many of these innovations is our 12th trend, Edge AI chips everywhere. Edge AI is the technology that allows powerful computation to happen directly on your device, eliminating the need to connect to the cloud. Powerful new chips from Apple, Intel, and Qualcomm are making our devices smarter and faster than ever. This enables incredible features like instantaneous voice translation, real-time image editing, and advanced voice recognition that all happen locally. Essentially, every phone, laptop, and car is becoming its own powerful AI assistant. Back at home, AI-powered home assistants are getting a major upgrade. We're moving beyond smart speakers to mobile, interactive robots. Amazon's Astro can patrol your home for security, while other rumored devices from major tech companies aim to assist with elder care, follow voice commands, and even physically interact with their environment. These aren't just novelties, they represent the beginning of AI's integration into the physical fabric of our daily lives, making our homes smarter and more helpful. And it's not just our homes. Commercial humanoid robots are stepping into the workplace. We're seeing robots like Tesla's Optimus and Figure's Figure 1 performing tasks that require human-like dexterity, such as folding laundry, sorting machine parts, or assisting on manufacturing lines. As their capabilities improve and their costs come down, these humanoid robots will become an increasingly common sight in warehouses, retail stores, and factories, working alongside human teams to boost productivity. Perhaps one of the most transformative trends is the rise of AI agents that can handle full tasks. Think beyond simple commands. We're talking about autonomous agents like Autoct or Cognition Labs Devon, which you can delegate entire projects to. You could ask an AI agent to build a website from scratch, debug a complex piece of code, or plan a multi-city business trip. By 2026, these agents will function less like assistants and more like virtual coworkers, capable of handling complex, multi-step tasks independently. By now, you've probably noticed a common thread: generative AI. Our 16th trend is that generative AI is becoming the default, not the exception. It's no longer a novelty. Advanced tools like GPT-5, Gemini Ultra, and Adobe Firefly are fundamentally changing how we create content. From text and images to audio and video, AI is becoming a co-creator in nearly every digital medium. By 2026, it is expected that the majority of digital content you consume will be either co-created with or entirely generated by AI, revolutionizing media, marketing, and art. Finally, we arrive at the most mind-bending trend of all: brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. This is where science fiction truly becomes reality. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are developing technology that allows people to control computers or prosthetic limbs using only their thoughts. While still in its early stages, this technology has already enabled individuals with paralysis to regain a sense of mobility and communication. BCIs hold the potential to completely redefine human-computer interaction and offer life-changing solutions for people with disabilities. From building apps with no code to controlling them with our minds, the technological landscape is shifting at a breathtaking pace. These 17 trends aren't just isolated developments, they're interconnected pieces of a larger puzzle, building a future that is more intelligent, efficient, and personalized. 2026 is just around the corner, and it's clear we are on the cusp of a truly transformative era. What do you think? Which of these trends are you most excited or concerned about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. See you in the next one.